Heart attacks are a leading cause of death worldwide, and the number of cases is increasing every year. According to the American Heart Association, someone in the United States has a heart attack every 40 seconds. This alarming statistic highlights the need for preventative measures that are both effective and accessible to everyone. Fortunately, there is an herb that can help prevent heart attacks, and it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. The herb in question is garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including cardiovascular disease. Research has shown that consuming garlic can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the formation of blood clots. All of these factors contribute to a lower risk of heart attack. To incorporate garlic into your daily routine, you can try this simple home remedy. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 glass of water. Instructions: crush the garlic cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds in garlic to activate. Add the crushed garlic to a glass of water and stir well. Drink the garlic water on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. It's important to note that garlic can interact with certain medications, so it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting a garlic supplement or increasing your garlic consumption. In addition to consuming garlic, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle to prevent heart attacks. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management, and avoiding tobacco use. In conclusion, incorporating garlic into your daily routine can help prevent heart attacks. Garlic is a natural and easily accessible herb that has been used for centuries to promote heart health. By trying this simple home remedy, you can take a proactive step towards a healthier heart. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement or making significant changes to your diet.